tuko sawa kabisa kwa kibarua.
And elsewhere, aspirants in the forthcoming Sports Journalists Association of Kenya election have expressed concerns with the flow of information and accused the current office holders of failing to give them proper guidance as they prepare for the election set for the 4th of next month.
Nguvu mpya inamaanisha kwamba kunafaa kuwa na mabadiliko chanya katika uongozi wa chama cha wanahabari wa michezo nchini SJAK. Na katika manifesto yetu kuna nguzo 10 muhimu, lakini nguzo moja kubwa ambayo tunaenda nayo ni uwazi na uwajibikaji. Kila mtu anafaa kuwa anahusika kwa njia moja au nyingine.
We have information that the Sports Council will conduct the election. We would like to know when this body will be brought on board, which electoral guidelines they will follow, and if there will be room for appeal in case of any disputes. This is of particular urgent concern because the election is only a week away, and we need to have these issues ironed out so that in case of any dispute, you can have time for recourse and arbitration.
If you want to go in a house, don't start throwing stones in the same house because you don't know how dirty that bedroom is. So we are saying that we respect what they've done. We respect, and they have been our leaders. And yes, they are our leaders. Even at this particular time, we are not happy the way they are doing every single thing, even the way they are handling this process. But that does not say that they are lesser beings because they were given the mandate in a fair and credible election. And we are asking also for this election to be credible and also for this election to be fair.
I didn't know Moses